The key to effective disaster prevention is planning. Determine whether the site is along an active fault and/or prone to liquefaction or landslide, which may cause damage to your house or building. Be sure that proper structural design and engineering practice is followed when constructing a house or building. Evaluate the structural soundness of buildings and important infrastructures. Prepare your place of work and residence for the event. Strap heavy furniture or cabinets to the wall to prevent sliding or toppling. Breakable items, harmful chemicals, and flammable materials should be stored in the lowermost shelves and secured firmly. Make it a habit to turn off gas tanks when not in use. Familiarize yourself with your place of work and residence. Identify relatively strong parts of the building like door jambs near elevator shafts, sturdy tables where you can take refuge during an earthquake. Learn to use fire extinguishers, first aid kits, alarms, and emergency exits. These should be accessible, conveniently located, and prominently marked. Heavy materials should be kept in lower shelves. Check the stability of hanging objects which may break loose and fall during earthquakes. Prepare and maintain an earthquake survival kit consisting of a battery-powered radio, flashlight, first aid kit, potable water, candies, ready-to-eat food, whistle, and dust mask. Protect your body from falling debris by bracing yourself in a doorway or by getting under a sturdy desk or table. Get away from power lines, posts, walls, and other structures that may fall or collapse. Stay away from buildings with glass panes. If you are inside an old structure, take the fastest and safest way out. Do not rush to the exit. Get out calmly in an orderly manner. Do not use elevators, use the stairs. Check yourself and others for injury. Unless you need emergency help, do not do the following. Do not use your telephone to call relatives and friends. Disaster prevention authorities may need the lines for emergency communications. Do not use your car and drive around areas of damage. Rescue and relief operations need the road for mobility. Help reduce the number of casualties from the earthquake. Don't enter partially damaged buildings. Strong aftershocks may cause these to collapse. Check your surroundings. Clean up chemical spills, toxic and flammable materials to avoid any chain of unwanted events. Check your water and electrical lines for defects. If any damage is suspected, turn the system off with the main valve or switch. Take with you your earthquake survival kit, which should contain all necessary items for your protection and comfort. If you must evacuate your residence, leave a message stating where you are going.